friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Theta network in the cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button and complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much. And now let's see the live price prediction of Theta network in the crypto market. As you can see here, the change in a Theta network in a crypto market is positive 1.85%. That is the live price prediction of previous 2 hours you are watching now. And the high price of Theta network in a market is $12.41 is the high price of Theta network in a cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, they are continuously jumping upward. Now let's see the last previous 1 hour result. What's going in the last 1 hour result of the Theta network in a cryptocurrencies market? It's loading. Oh my god, oh my god. As you can see on the graph of the Theta network, so I think it now currently they are falling down. The dumping time of Theta network starts from this period. That is the live price prediction of Theta network. As you can see here, the change in a Theta network in a live price prediction is positive 0.9% change, and the high price of the previous last 1 hour is $12.41 is the high price of Theta network. Now what is the current price of Theta network in a market? The current price of Theta network in a market is $12.39 is the current price of Theta network in a market of cryptocurrencies. So please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies.